the topic of discussion is in singly linked list, you have to find the starting point of a loop in the linked list. So prior to this video, we have studied how to detect loop in the linked list. So I'll request you to kindly watch that video, detect loop in linked list. So prior to this, now my job is that what is the starting position of that loop, from which node that loop is starting. No, this is our first now job. Fine, so let's start with the coding. So first of all, I'll explain you what loop coding is all about. So this, suppose the address is 100, the address is 200, the address is 300, the address is 400, the address is 500. Fine. So what actually I did in previous video, I've explained this coding very fine. So by this coding, what has actually happened? So let's start with the coding now. No, let's start with the coding. I've initialized, I'll move somewhere fast. I've initialized this. I've created a node 1 type slow pointer. I've initialized with head. So slow will have head value. Fast pointer, I'm using all f. I'm using f instead of uh, fast pointer, and s instead of slow pointer. So f. So all will point to the head. Okay. I'll see is slow, fast, and fast next. So what is there in slow? 100. What is there in fast? 100. And what is fast next? Fast next is 200. So this is 200. So the condition becomes true. I'll move inside. And I request you to kindly watch the video. I'm moving very fast here. So slow will have slow next. Slow will come to the next position. Fast will be moved twice. Fast next next. Fast will be moved twice. Fast next next. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay, I'll check is slow equal to fast. No, slow is 200 and fast is 300. So I'll not go inside this block. Fine. And again, I'll check the condition of while loop. Now slow is what? 200. I'll make it 200. What is fast? Fast is now 300. 300. What is fast next? What is fast next? Fast next is 400. So this is 400. So this is true. This is true. This is true. So if everything is true, I'll go inside. I'll increment slow by one step. Slow is equal to slow next. Fine. And I'll increment fast by two steps. Fast next next. Fast will come here. Fine. Okay. I'll again check is slow is equal to fast. No, slow is not equal to fast because slow is 300 and fast is 500. So if this is not equal, so what I'll do, I'll not go inside this. Fine, I'll not go inside this, and what I'll do, I'll again go inside the while loop. Okay, and I'll check the condition. What is slow now? What is slow now? Slow is 300. So slow is now 300. What is fast? Fast is now 500. And what is fast next? 300. 300. So all the conditions are true. What I'll do, I'll move slow by one step. So will come here. I'll move fast by two step. One step here and one step here. So fast will also come here. Fine. Okay. Now I'll check is slow equal to fast. Yes, slow is equal to fast. Slow is equal to fast. Condition becomes true. So what I'll do, I'll say f is 1. So flag become 1 and I'll break. When I'll come out of this, is flag 1? Yes, now I have created flag 1. So loop detected. So my first one of the job is done now. Loop detected. Fine. Now my job is from where, from which is the starting node of a loop, from where this loop is germinating. No, this generation of loop is from which node? So now I have called this function start point loop. So after doing this answer, giving this answer, it will, I have called this function. I have called this function. So meanwhile, the moment I did all these things, my slow and fast pointer are at what? Which position? Fourth position. So keep in mind, the moment I have detected a loop, my slow and fast pointer as at fourth position. And always make it sure if there is a loop, then slow and fast will become equal. Fine. Okay. So let's start with this function. So this was no structure, coding of a structure. So I have not explained you this. Now come what this function is called. So now current was, what was the actual position? Fast was here, slow was here, and both has become equal. So when I've called this function, but this function is will tell me starting point of node. So what I did, I have again reinitialized slow pointer with head. So slow will come from here to this place. Slow will come here from to this place. This is head. Suppose the address is 100, 200. Address of this node is 300. This is 400 and this is 500. Fine. Okay. Now I'll check is slow not equal to fast? Yes. Slow is 100. Fast is 400. It's not equal. So I'll increment both of them to a single step. Slow to slow next, fast to fast next. So slow will come here and fast will come here. Fine. Okay. What I'll do, I'll again go and check the while condition. Is slow not equal to fast? Slow is at 200 and fast is at 500. Yes, slow and fast are not equal. Yes, slow and fast are not equal. So when they are not equal, what I'll do, condition becomes true. I'll go inside, I'll increment slow by 1, I'll increment fast by 1. So slow will slow next, slow will come here. Fast with fast next, fast will come here. Again, I'll again no. So again I'll check the condition. Is slow not equal to fast? Now condition becomes false because slow is also at 300, fast is also at 300. So condition becomes false. The moment condition becomes false, I'll come out, and you can see that now slow and fast are at which node? The node from where the loop started. Fine. So what I'll do, node at which loop start, I'll print node at which loop start is slow data. What is slow data? 3. So yes, correct, the correct, or you can print fast data because both are at same position. Instead of slow data, you can also write fast data, fast, fast data, you whatever you want to do. It's slow p, you can underscore, you can use underscore p, underscore p. Fine. So this is what coding of all about. Prior to this, I've explained you what how to detect a loop, and now I've explained you if there is a loop, then what is the starting position of a loop.